Welcome to Brainstorm. We're open for new projects and ready to elevate your brand to the next level. At Brainstorm, we are innovators in digital marketing, crafting creative solutions to elevate brands and drive engagement. We offer a wide range of services including digital marketing, packaging design, brand, design websites and apps, printing services, and more specialized services such as marketing strategy development, social media, design landing page, creation, UI, UX, design, SEO. Our vision at Brainstorm is to redefine digital marketing. We foster creativity, innovation, and lasting brand connections in the ever-evolving online landscape, and we are open to collaborate. Why choose us? Brainstorm offers an integrated approach, combining digital expertise and offline creativity to provide comprehensive solutions that meet all your business needs. Our diverse team of passionate professionals is dedicated to your success. Choosing Brainstorm means partnering with an agency that not only follows trends but creates them, giving you a competitive edge in the market. Have a project? Let's talk.